What's up, guys? So, I'm going to, what should I do today? I have a great idea. So first, I'm going to show you my hoverboard, and I'm going to tell you more things about it. And then maybe I'll, maybe show you upstairs of my barn. I might do that. So, let's get started. So, this is my hoverboard. You see, mine is light blue. And see, look, we've got these like pads right here. I'm having a hard time letting y'all see. Don't have GoPro yet. Wait, can y'all see? I don't know y'all can. Can y'all see? Okay. There. Okay. So you see it's got these like pad things. You put your feet and there's the same on the other end. And then it has like this locator thing. And then, or whatever that thing's called. And the battery, if it's like dying or anything. And then, so I have scratched up this bad boy really bad. And then you can see as the wheels, pretty nice. And then, you see there's some lights, see? And the same in there. And then, as you can see, the wheels, they go pretty fast. But just not right now because I'm not on it. And then I've jacked up this and the same thing over here. And then we got the off and on button right here. You just click that and that's on, and that's it. And then here is the charger where you just plug in your charger in and it charges. So you need to leave it charging for an hour or 30 minutes. So I'm just saying, do not leave it overcharging unless if you want it to explode or get on fire. So I'm just saying that's a safety rule about the hoverboard. That's the worst thing that can possibly happen when you have a hoverboard. So now I'm just going to pause the video real quick and then I'm going to go get my shoes on. So see ya. Okay, so now I'm going to go show you the upstairs of my barn. Sassy! As you can see, that's my cat. Catsaroni. Hey, Sassy. Hey, Sassy. Hey, Sassy. Hey. That's her place to go when shit's raining and has bad weather. I'm gonna set y'all down. Okay. So as you can see, I pretty much okay. Oh, this is our neighbor's dog, Belle. Hey, Belle. Hey. Hey, Belle. Up, 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 up. Hey, Belle. Up, up. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Can you say hi to the camera? Hey, Belle. Hey. Okay. So, that's like a jungle. But there is no now back, so. I'm just gonna show you this really fun scooter. This scooter, it's fun to ride, y'all. Whee! It's fun. I am really scared, so please, this video. Second thoughts, maybe. I don't really want to show you that because I'm really scared up there. I'm hearing like scratching noises all up there, so. There ain't no way I'm gonna go up there. There is not no way I'm going up there. So. Okay, I'm gonna go back outside. Ooh. But I remember in my other video, I said at my grandmother's house. Well, I know I showed y'all a German Shepherd, but I'm gonna show y'all him in close. Hey! Hey! Can you say hi to the camera? Come here. Hey, can you say hi to the camera? Hey! Say hi to the camera. Well, we're doing some things. It's getting better. Getting better. I'm gonna see, look at these things. They're going better. But I don't know what they are. Oh, we're going some more and it shows more evidence. See, this one looks kind of like a pear. And that's what I think they are. They're pears or something else. I don't know. They look like pears to me. But, I don't know. Here lies the pond. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my brother and subscribe to me. And I'll see you huddies later. Peace!